Hi everyone. This video will guide you on finding Bluetooth adapter versions in Windows 11. Bluetooth is one of the old technologies used to transfer files between a mobile device and a computer. However, many times Bluetooth version is not supportive, which creates issues in connecting and sharing the files. While most smartphones today support Bluetooth 4.0 or later, you might be unable to transfer the files if your Windows 11 PC does not support at least Bluetooth 4.0. If you cannot share files using Bluetooth or, for some reason, if you want to know the version of Bluetooth, this Garip Windows video will help you. You can quickly view the Bluetooth version using the built-in option of Windows. Here is how to do it. How to find Bluetooth adapter version in Windows 11. To know your Bluetooth adapter version of Windows 11, first, click on the Start button and type Device Manager. In the search results, click on Device Manager to open it. In the Device Manager window that opens, expand the Bluetooth entry. Here, you will find several Bluetooth entries. Select your Bluetooth brand and then right-click on it. Then, select the Properties option. Next, switch to the Advanced tab in the Bluetooth Properties dialog. Besides the firmware, here, you will also see the LMP version of Bluetooth your PC is using. We have mentioned the LMP version and the corresponding Bluetooth version in this video description, using which you can know your Bluetooth version. Here is the LMP version table. LMP11.X, Bluetooth 5.2. LMP10.X, Bluetooth 5.1. LMP9.X, Bluetooth 5.0. LMP8.X, Bluetooth 4.2. LMP7.X, Bluetooth 4.1. LMP6.X, Bluetooth 4.0. LMP5.X, Bluetooth 3.0 plus HS. LMP4.X, Bluetooth 2.1 plus EDR. LMP3.X, Bluetooth 2.0 plus EDR. LMP2.X, Bluetooth 1.2. LMP1.X, Bluetooth 1.1. LMP0.X, Bluetooth 1.0b. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.